Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter space on your settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window, and this is window, and we will go down, then we will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window, and this is window. We will go to waiting to show for us. This is a window, and we will go down here to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down and we will click here on Twitter, then we come here to this is window, and we click here on force stop, and we click here on OK, and we will click here on storage, then we come here to storage window, and we will click here on clear cache, and we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.